In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up user roles in QuickBooks Online Accountant. This process is crucial for effective team management and ensuring appropriate access levels to sensitive accounting data. Let's dive right in and streamline your QuickBooks experience. First things first, head over to QuickBooks Online. You can do this by opening your preferred web browser and entering the QuickBooks URL. Once you're on the QuickBooks homepage, you'll want to look at the upper right corner of your screen and locate the Sign In button. Go ahead and click on that. Next, it's time to enter your credentials. Type in your email and password to access your account. A quick tip here, always ensure your password is strong and secure to keep your financial data safe. Now that you've entered your login details, let's proceed by clicking on the Sign In button. Upon logging in successfully, you'll be directed to the main QuickBooks dashboard. From here, find and click on Settings. The Settings icon usually appears in the upper right part of the page, often symbolized by a gear icon. Clicking this will present you with a drop-down menu. Within this menu, look for the Manage Users option. Give it a click and you're now on the page where you can see existing users, their roles and permissions within your account. This is your central hub for managing who can access what functionalities in QuickBooks. When you're on the Manage Users page, you'll notice an Add User button or link. This is your gateway to inviting new team members to your QuickBooks environment. By adding a user, you can invite them through email and they will receive easy to follow instructions for accessing the account. Remember that it's best practice to assign users roles that align with their job descriptions and responsibilities within your company. Now, it's important to note that if you're looking to add more users and you've hit your current plan's limit, you will need to upgrade your subscription. This upgrade allows you to accommodate more team members with varying access levels, ensuring everyone can get their work done efficiently. And there you have it, a simple and efficient way to set up user roles in QuickBooks Online Accountant. By following these steps, you ensure that each user has the necessary permissions to perform their job while safeguarding your company's financial data. Thanks for tuning in and be sure to subscribe for more QuickBooks tutorials and tips.